Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2021. We have here Sudoku with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, binary puzzle number 2, total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I've told you earlier, I won't do them all because it takes a lot of time to upload and to make them all. So half of them, 4 out of 8, I will solve, and those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, 1 tectonic, and a 1 binary I will do. This one, 3 stars, will be number 2261. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm right or wrong. The 4 stars, this one is a 4 star, has 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I use. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for a 1 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, a 1 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 5. Alright. We have a 9 in the 1st column, 9 in the 3rd column. So the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. And now 6. Let me see. 5. Alright. 2. All right, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. We have a 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 4 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. All right. 3, 6, and 2. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 3, and 6. 2, 3, 6. I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, 6. That means in the last row, 2 numbers left. 2, 3, 6. These 2 should be the 4 and the 7. Are missing the 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 7. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6, 2, 7. 6, 2, 7, 6, 2, 7. All right. 2, 5, 9. All right. Let me see. We have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about 2, 3? Yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 7. That means the other pair in this big square should be the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those again. 9 and a 5. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 4, 7. And 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. 4, 7, and the 2 are missing. 4, 7, and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be there. Because in this box can only the 7 or the 4. So we have a pair, 4 and a 7. 7 and a 4, or 4 and a 7. These 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 7 and the 6. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column. Only place for a 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 7, I believe. 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. And look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 4. Yeah. Yeah. 3. Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3, number 3. 9, 5, the 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are missing in this row. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be the 7, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 4. And in this row, this should be the 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 9. And the last 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of this additional. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.